I've been ignoring the poor performance of the engine for too long. It was running well enough at low throttle, but was running rough and poorly at the mid and high range throttle. I had this project in mind for a while and am finally getting around to replacing the points, but I decided to make a pointless point block change while I'm at it. Enjoy. There's old points, so instead of trying to file them down and make this work, we'll just put new points on. We're working on the points, and so there's a couple different styles of point housings. This type of point housing access is from the side, and that's a little inconvenient. So today we're going to see if we can retrofit the top access point style housing to this engine. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and go from there. Here is the difference between the styles. What I had originally was a side access, and what was difficult is the adjustment was this bolt here, and then you had to slide it and hope you had your mouth held right. And of course, I guess if your feeler gauge was in there, it would hold it while you tightened it, but access was a little difficult the way the muffler is set up. So this style, access is from the top. You take the cover off the top, and then it's a nice adjuster nut or bolt. Is a lot easier to access. This to connect the condenser is a lot easier to access because there's nothing blocking you there. So just a lot easier to access. The base is the same, looks like the same gasket, and the plunger is the same length. So this should be a nice upgrade once I get this bolted up. Here we are with the block cleared out and clean, and a new gasket made. This is cleaned up, and here's with the different points on. The adjustment screw is here. These hold the screws on. Condenser screw is a lot easier to access. You don't have to take apart anything else. Leave the air cleaner on. The exhaust on. The cables can stay put. So you can do your points maintenance a lot easier. At least I can. So in my opinion, I like this. It's an upgrade for me. Did I need to do it? No, I could use other points, but I find this style a little easier to deal with, so that's why I went that route. And here's the finished product. With it only has a single screw to take off the cover. And you know, to take off, you can access it. There's enough room to access it without taking off anything else. You can go straight to the points.